Teachers have read it. What's the weirdest thing a student has accidentally sent instead of his/her homework assignment? 1. Kind of related. My senior year of high school we had one assignment where we had to write a letter to our future selves and our teacher would wait 5 years and send them out. I got my letter this year and got all excited to read what Elle had wrote. Imagine my surprise when I opened it and there were 2 pieces of scratch paper. I had totally forgotten until that moment that as a perennial slacker in high school I hadn't actually done the assignment and just turned in a sealed envelope with 2 random papers. The only thing I wrote on the paper was "I hope you don't procrastinate anymore" and the year with my name. I played myself. 2. In college someone caught on to the fact that one of the professors never read our weekly essays and instead randomly assigned a grade. One of my friends submitted the same essay every week just under a different title. He got varying A's and B's on all of them. 3. A friend of mine accidentally put his electric bill in the middle of a long political science paper and